Hey concrete fans, welcome to the Joy of Concrete. Look at this mess. Somebody left a huge mess of concrete here. This is the channel where we make beautiful things out of concrete. Sometimes you follow along and make beautiful things at home. Sometimes you just watch. And I don't mind. So, leftover concrete, you know us. We don't throw anything out. We use it up. We're not wasteful. We're good stewards of our material. So what can we do with a little bit of leftover concrete? Well, the trick with leftover concrete, the trick with any leftover material, actually having a place for it. And this is something I kind of realized working with concrete, is that when you work with concrete, there's always leftovers. And most of the time, those get thrown out, taken to the landfill. And I didn't like that. So instead, I said, rather than throw the concrete out, let's make something out of it. The trick, you need little molds. This mold's pretty little. You know, we're not going to be able to do all 4 hex, but let's do a couple. Let's do a couple hex. Let's see what we can get. So what do we got here? Oh, we got some interesting stripy bits. I like that. I'm going to kind of roll this together a little bit. Push it in. This one I'm going to rip right down the center like that. Push that like there. You know what? We're going to be close. Do it one more time, kind of pushing this out like a, I don't know what you'd call that. And away we go. That easy. Wet, mineral pigmented concrete. You know, there's lots of different techniques. This is I'm showing you one way to do this, but this is an opportunity for you to decide how you're going to do this. You can follow along and do exactly what I did, or you can take your concrete and do whatever you want with it. I don't care. I'm not going to tell you. I've had way too many people tell me in life what I'm supposed to do with concrete, so I'm not going to put that on you. You do what you think you should do with concrete. Don't worry about what people say you can do with concrete or what you can't do with concrete. Concrete is magic. It's magic, and it's real magic. It's no illusion. Concrete magic is no illusion. It's real magic. Concrete magic is no illusion. It's real magic. It is real magic. This is no illusion. Even though it feels like magic, it feels like we took mud and dirt and mixed it with water and then just let it sit, and we made a rock, a mystical object. I'm not getting voids in this time, so I'm giving it a little extra. You're getting to see some real-time good vibrations with yours truly, Mr. Concrete Concrete. Good vibrations. Okay. That was a short one. Everything was ready to go. We did this. We made this. What's going to be? What's going to stick around? Stick around for the reveal. The reveal on the cured side. Concrete friends, we are back, and it has been 4 hours. Let's take a look at these leftovers. These are remnants, bits of concrete that we were saving. We weren't saving. They would have been thrown out. Thankfully, we had this small mold, and we did a little bit of marbling. Let's see what we got. Ooh. Oh, yeah. This is, haha, very nice. Very nice indeed. Oh, I love it. I love it. Look at this little trio coaster tiles. We just whipped these up. Leftovers. You saw how quick it was. Just like that. If you liked what you saw and you want to learn more about making concrete stuff on your own and you need help, I can help. I'm Mr. Concrete Concrete. I'll help. Like, subscribe, hit that notification button, and leave a comment down below. And we can chat. We can figure out some concrete stuff together. Would love to chat with you. Have a great rest of your day. GoPro, stop recording.